We got called for no cool at night. Are we gonna show up? Tornado weather? We don't give a shit. We're gonna pull up, brother. Okay, late night call. We found a burned out fuse. Yeah, dirty furnace. I'm gonna dive into it and find out where's our short. Res. I'm gonna be changing the contactor and the capacitor on this bitch. And it's a fucking tornado weather. Let's get to it. We're delivered! We're delivered again, brothers. We're going home now. Yeah, there's no more coal after this. We're going home. Home sweet home, mama.